so sweet in the beginning. Love is so sweet in the beginning. Love is so sweet, oh, yeah, in the beginning, in the beginning. Love is so sweet in the beginning. Love is so sweet, my girl. Yeah. Head out way, knee head out way. Yeah. Keep on watching. Ni hero nyozenga nyozo wodu wegi nyozo nyaru wegi hero nyoze ni hero nyoze. So what do we so what do we Oi, calzomo Uko hawera Nyo sonyaru wegi Nyako calzomo Uko hawera Hero Twitter, yeah. My hero Twitter, my hero Twitter. Hero Nyoze. Way kasumbu ngayo era keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, guys, to my channel Maka Mugenda. Hello, Jose. Ana okirala, ana okirala. Yo nyobonga. Ana okirala, ana okirala. Ajome samba. Ana wokerala, angacho mozamba, dio manyoboga, katilo mboga, ero mukebo, ero mukebo, ero mukebo, yare ego bonge ngano biga kanye ungo ekanyo ya ni era sandega era ekanyo Darundo ega caño, como caño, yeah. Era sandega, don't ina chom kanye makao, ina chom kanye, Azel mbonga, yeah, keep on watching this Makamugenda. Still Nyatiti Beach. Yeah, this is a vibe. I've already started this vibe, guys. So just keep on watching Maka. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Today is Thursday. Watching is Makamugenda. Put down your comment. Yeah, I'm here in Diani Beach, guys. This is a beach vibe. Right now I'm in the beach. I'm Black King, then some call Nyatiti. Yeah, so put down your comment. Tell me how you are. Wait up, my body, wait up, my body, wait up, my body, yeah. Achiokinyi makalelele. Achiokinyi makalelele. Achomokongo namanyo wazunge, ale namanyo wazunge. Tomango mielongulo, tobange yuko jamna, ya tobange yuko jamna. Achiokinyi makalelele. Achiokinyi makalelele. Yeah, ala chomokongo namanyo wazunge. Hello, Rastaman.
You alright?
How you? watching, guys. Yeah. Ni vuoi saber ma paroria come calele. Ni vuoi saber ma paroria come maluaro pesado. Maloso mano. Nadalo bodi. Achi okinyi makalele. Achi okinyi makalele. Acho mokongo. Acho mokongo. Amanyo wazonge. Amanyo wazonge. Amanyo wazonge. Madonge mwijokudo. Amelo ngolo. No bange yuko jamba. No bange yuko jamba. Yeah. Ni vuoi saber ma paroria ecco. Ni vuoi saber ma paroria ecco. Amanyo besa. Kadalo bodi. Yeah. Kadalo bodi. Achi okinyi makalele. Achi okinyi mugenda kenye. Acho mokongo. Amanyo wazonge. Gatingo ngolo. Amanyo wazonge. Wazonge wa mielo ngolo. Do you go jamba? Yeah, you go jamba. No bange you go jamba. No bange you go jamba. Ni bange you go jamba. Yeah. Ni yo mapenya lalkanye. Alale panga manyongi ma. Alale panga manyo pesa mama kalele. Alale panga manyo rieko. Yeah. Alale panga manyo makwi. Awinyo gama nene dao. Awinyo mama dao. Yeah. Awinyo mama dao. Awinyo mama dao. Ni mama penyo lalkanye. Yeah. Alale panga manyongi ma. Alale panga manyongi ma. Alale panga manyongi ma bagayo. Alale panga manyongi ma. Nagombo do pola luor bodi. Agombo do pola luor bodi. Agombo do pola luor bodi. Aduogola do pogala boloya. Aduogola do pogala bolala. Aduogola do pogangi ogare. Yeah. Aduogola do pogangi ogare makalele. Oh makalele. Togi makoni e mama. Togi makoni e mama. Oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, oh mama, yeah, oh mama, oh mama, yeah. Yale go ni ombe, yale go ni ombe, yale go ni ombe, yale na ni ombe, yale go, yale go, yale go, yale go, yale go, yeah. Oh, nyale kuniumbe, oh nyale kuniumbe ya, no mama niumbe. Mwana huyuko salama, mwana huyuko salama, kwa kweli napambana, yeah. Kwa kweli napambana, kwa kweli bado napambana, mwana huyuko salama ya. Jump on. Alamanyo pesa, alamanyo pesa, alamanyo pesa. Yeah. Mimi bado sijatekwa, mimi bado sijatekwa, mimi bado sijatekwa, mimi bado sijatekwa. Yeah, please put down your comment. Yeah, it's now dark here. I don't know if I put it like this. Like this, it can be beat at least. Just see, bro. Yeah, keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, here in Diani, guys. This is our Nyatiti vibe. Mine is just to play for you some good music. Yeah. Nagane, nagane, nyangoma, nagane, nyangoma, nagane, oh nagane, 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 nagane. Tiempo kipenja. Odia chengi penja gagi penja. Nangaling kamadu, nangaling kamadu, nango. Odiembo gipenja ka gipenja. Gipenja. Oh gipenja. Oh gipenja, gipenja maga mungena. Tombange ala dogonga. What they know they kill maga. What they know they kill maga. What they think they'll talk about. Aye, Gigi Janda, Gigi Janda, Gigi Janda. Odindo nene konanga, odindo nene konanga. Elamo mene noni, olamo ngejenye, ngejenye, zeba ngejenye. No pesa mene noni, pesa mene mene noni. Yawa pesani, ngejenye. Yokani sadwahe. Oh, ay besa, ay besa, ay besa, tina dimna, ay besa, ay besa, oh mio. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. This matter. Let's take you around, guys. I want to take you around for a while. You see how the beautiful is this place, guys. With Uganda. But today is a very cool day. No wind. Yeah, even if I'm talking now, you are just getting no wind compared to the other some days back. Yeah, so just keep on watching. It's Uganda. I'm here along the beach. Yeah, I'm just here, just walking along. Give a big tip on right, you want to bite. Yeah, give a look. Yeah, give a tip on right, yeah, so just keep on watching. Yeah, well, for a while you have to see how the beautiful is the beach, guys. Let's just keep on watching the other side. Yeah, you see, but right now I don't know where to put it because it's not high tide, but also it's just cool. Yeah, so for a while I'll just do it. Just be patient. Rama. The high rate of stupidity of the how can you? Yeah, okay, this today I just think I have to combine this session, this evening walk and sunset, and also Nyatiti vibe. Yeah, I'll just show you how the beautiful is the beach, guys, so that you can watch, you see how these guys who went for boat ride, I think they're right now back. Hey, yeah, for those who went for boat ride, the population is not high compared to other days. Yeah, so just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Just keep on watching. Yeah, these guys that you are now seeing there, those are captains. Yeah? So today I don't know what to say according to me, but today is not a busy day. Yeah, because those who went for boat rides, population is not high compared to the other days I have been seeing, I've been watching. Yeah, so the population is not very high. Yeah, I'll just give you the vibe. By the time of keep on doing this, you have to watch, you have to see how it is. This is how Congo is, guys. And right now it's almost time, guys, so just keep on watching. I'll be just giving you a vibe. I'll play for you some ending traditional music. Yeah, the guy who's speaking to is Makamugenda. Yeah, Makamugenda, the guy from the lakeside. Yeah, this is my costume. This is how I do it, guys. This is how I do it. Yeah, yeah. So just keep on watching. And also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll just give you an update, and you see, you watch how the beautiful is the beach. Right now, you see there's a lot of clouds. Those who are expecting today leo ndio ile siku nasikianga. Yeah, okay, put down your comment guys. Tell me how you are feeling and how you are getting this vibe. Yeah. If you are getting annoyed, you can say no. I'm not enjoying your vibe. Yeah. You are free to say so. Yeah. You are free to say so guys. So just keep on watching. Tell me how you are doing and also put down your comment. How it is guys, this Makamugenda. See, there's a beautiful, there's more beautiful than other days because there's no clouds. Yeah, there's no sun. There's a lot of clouds. Yeah, so just keep on watching and also I'll be playing for you some vibes. Some vibes, you know, this is how we do it. We don't fuck up with people. Yeah, so you can look the other side, keep on watching. Also remember to subscribe. Tell a friend that Makamugenda is now live. What? What? Nyalo kata mbro kiuri ni wachu bwana. Yeah. So this it is. Hello. Popo niaje? My name is Omaka, please. I have a YouTube channel, so in case you'll be online, just subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so keep on watching. Yeah, it's how it is. You see, endo the chokata songre wana bwana. Kueto nini sianda. Tingo yote chiro magidurani. Yeah, boats are winding, man. I think this is the end of this. So today, I don't know. I myself, I can't talk too much because today is very bit difficult. And also, the same way you are watching, it's very okay. Yeah, so just keep on watching. Also, if you want to do this kind of activity, you have to just subscribe. Yeah, you can comment and also tell us, yeah, how to get here. But today I don't see comments. I don't know why. I don't see your comments, so I don't know what's happening. I don't see comments, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so I don't understand. Let's see. Yeah. Kienge iye kalori mama ndo neno. Ibro neno matext sana. Jogi pinya lo kaparo ni pinya kete. Pinya tek maraj. Tek ma seria. Tek dijamo. Sasa michamo. Dijamo ma Ukraine. Just catch 1 hour. That's nyalo meri we both below krira neko. Yeah, keep on watching. For those ones that's my language. There's a language where I normally use. Yeah. Watching. Mine is just to show you how the beautiful is this place. Keep on watching. Yeah, right now those are who went for boat ride. They are now back. Yeah, so just keep on watching. I'll let you know how the place is. Yeah. And I also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Makamugenda. Right now I'm here in Diani Beach. Diani is in Kenya, bro. For those who don't know, Kenya is in Africa. Yeah. So Diani is in Africa. Yeah. So just keep on watching. Just how the beautiful is this place. Yeah. So I think team record anadi. Team record anadi omera. Yeah. This is how it is, guys. Yeah. So just keep on watching. I don't know what to say, and this is a very special evening. Give you the vibe. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Mark. I have a YouTube channel. You can follow.
You're a TikTok star?
I'm a YouTuber.
Influencer.
Yeah, influencer.
Nice.
YouTuber.
How much followers do you have?
On YouTube, I have over 18,000.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
That's
amazing.
nice.
Subscriber have almost around 3,200 subscribers.
So you are the star here.
Yeah, I'm the star. Can I play for you something?
No, it's okay.
Okay, just follow YouTube. Thank you. It's called Maka.
Maka.
Maka Mugenda.
Ziga.
Yeah, guys, keep on watching.
It's good, yes.
Yeah, so this is how it is.
Really go with the boat,
You see, these are guys who went for boat ride. And I see others are going other side. That's why I don't understand. But keep on watching. Please put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling, how you are getting this vibe, and are you enjoying the vibe, or you are just here, you are just there, not getting any vibe. Yeah, just keep on watching. Tell me how you are getting this. Also, I'll give you my own opinion. Yeah, mine is just giving live recording from Diani Beach. Yeah, right now I'm in Diani Beach. Diani is in Kenya, bro. For those who don't know where. Kenya. Yeah, this is how it is. This is a very special evening, guys. I don't know how to say. Yeah, yes, just say thank you so much. Yeah, you know, go nene di nyera Martin. I'm going to need demand. You go nene di no more. You don't have any demand, man. Demand and you go nene di judge my opinion. Hey, but the boys, we're going to Chama. We're going to Chama. That's it. You know, money demand price. Yeah, so just keep on watching. I think right now they are over. For those who went for boat ride, they are over, guys. So for today, I think this is the group who went for boat ride, and right away they have already come back. Yeah, so I think that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, keep on watching. I'll let you know how the vibe is, and also if you want to feel another vibe, also tell a friend to tell a friend. This marker is live on YouTube. This is how it is. Yeah, this is how it is here in Diani Beach. So just keep on watching. Don't be afraid. Just keep on watching this marker. Yeah, so this is how it is. The population is increasing. Hello, Mambo. Naitwa Maka. Follow YouTube, subscribe. Yeah. Tindo madu amearia mtako. Tindo madu amearia mtako. Ina no kaki ngeri kijo. Tindo becho kama becho kala gini. Kido kwa lagi picha. Kwa lotoka ke picha. Tindo becho kama hadi yao. Kumbe ni toka ka. Wala kipicha. Tuanyira mnakoti. Keep on watching. Also, I think this is the end of our session today. And today, let me see the other side. I think I have to leave for now. So, this is how it is. And I'll say, this is how the vibe is for today. I've already show you how the vibe is. And also, hang on, my vehicle. Yeah, this is how Congo is, guys. Remember, this is evening vibe. Yeah, my evening vibe is just to show you, tell you how the vibe is. Enjoy with you, give you the vibe of the beach. Just continue watching. Also remember, my name is Maka. Yeah, Maka is just telling you, show you how the vibe is. It's a beach vibe. So you are enjoying. Today there's no a lot of something like coco. Coco is waves. No, coco is noise. Yeah. Still I see there's a group. Yeah, so not to Japan. But let God say yeah. So just keep on watching. Take you along the beach, and I think you will just enjoy. You see the breeze, see the players. But today I don't see comments. I don't know why. You are just enjoying it silently. Yeah, you're just enjoying silently. So something wonderful. Yeah, because I was expecting to get some vibes. Tell me if you are I don't know how to say it, but I was expecting some vibes. It's the same. Naitwa Maka. Nafanya profession of YouTube channel. Naomba kwa online. Follow YouTube, subscribe, watch. Maka Mugenda.
Sorry?
Maka Mugenda.
Maka Mugenda.
So naomba online, follow YouTube, subscribe, watch.
Maka
Mugenda.
Mugenda ni jina yao?
Okay. Mugenda is a Ugandan name. Also Kenyan.
Kenyan from where?
I'm from Abiro. Maka is M-A-K.
No, Maka. Unaona scrap.
Mugenda.
What? Mimi nafuata hii. There's another one. Unafanya nyimbo gani hizo?
Let me just show you one. Let me show you one.
I have lost track
Okay. Sorry.
What you do? Unaweza do it for free.
Okay.
Oh, Coco Live.
Yeah, guys, for those who are watching, keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda right now in Beach. Let me give my friends 1-5. The instrument is called Nyatiti. Okay, I want to sing for you one song. It's called Karaperi. Karaperi. Ndio inamaanisha kitu mzuri. Kitu mzuri.
Kara what?
Karaber.
Karaber.
Yeah, Mera Karaber. Yeah, what's your name, bro?
Mimi naitwa Mandela.
Mandela na mama.
Wamboi.
Wamboi. Okay. Let me sing for Mandela and Wamboi. Wow. I have decided, oh my God, to sing to Mandela. Mandela, yeah. First time I met Mandela, I see one boy, one boy more beauty, the lady more beauty, yeah, without makeup, jump on. Let me tell you, Mandela, yeah. Mandela, you are so lucky to have one boy, mama, the lady more beauty. The lady more beauty, yeah, without makeup, jump on. One boy, oh, yeah, one boy, oh. Let me tell you, Mandela, what my grandfather told me long time ago. If you wanna be billionaire, you better stay with the one boy. Yeah. If you wanna be billionaire, you better stay with the one boy. Yeah. One boy more beauty, Sora inaweza hadi yeah. When I see one boy yeah, hadi ana dimples champong, akismile anafanya nini? Anatua na dimples yawa. One boy yawa. Wamboi, I wish I see your mother, Wamboi. Let me tell you, Mandela, you know beautiful lady like Wamboi, they look like their mothers. Wamboi, yeah. Wamboi, yawa sura inaweza, like mother, like daughter.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, Mandela, sema kweli my brother. Ndoto yawa, hiyo sio ndoto yawa. Wamboi, yawa. Yeah. I see, Mandela, I see angel. You have an angel. Mungu anawapenda, Mungu anawapenda. Wamboi yawa jambo, Wamboi anaweza. Yeah. Mandela, can you dance? Yeah. Mandela, jam ngoma. Ngoma. Yeah. Adudi jambo. Wamboi jambo. Yeah. Mandela, let me tell you one thing about Wamboi. Do you know what? Wamboi was not born Buana. Wamboi was created very early in the morning when God is alive. Yeah. That's the main reason she's more beautiful without makeup. Yeah. Asante Wamboi. I pray for Mandela and Wamboi. Like daughter, yeah. Wow. Mera. You asked what I was doing. Yeah. You never know, you know. Things happen like that.